What object types are we going to have for this app, for this web app? In other words, what classes are we going to create for this app? This is a question I'm going to answer in this video. First, I want you to know that we are going to use the already made app which calculates the bill shares for the flatmates. So we have completed that app already, and the files and the code that we're going to write is going to use the code of the existing flatmates bill app. So we already have some objects such as the bill and the flatmate object, and also the PDF report object type and the file sharer. So we have these classes, but what other classes do we need for the web app? So for the web app layer, so to say. Well, that's easy to answer. We are going to use the Flask library, which is a great library, and this is how this is going to work. We are going to have a class or an object type for each page. That means we are going to have a homepage class, a bill form page class, and the results page class. So 3 classes. So you would ask, why a homepage class? Well, a homepage class would create homepage instances. So an object instance for every visitor. If your friend goes and visits the homepage of our app, this class is going to be instantiated on the background. So Python will create an object instance and will serve that object instance to your friend, to the visitor. When your friend goes to the bill form page class, the same will happen. A bill form page object instance will be created. So what other object types, what other classes are we going to have? Well, we are also going to have a bill form class, which is going to generate this form. And that's all. We are going to have 4 classes: homepage class, bill form page class, results page class, and bill form class. So without further ado, let's move on to the next videos where we are going to write these 4 classes. See you there.